Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe down at Heritage Ford. Today we're going to be talking about this 2017 Jeep Compass High Altitude. And with the High Altitude package, it's going to come with a couple great features. Here on the exterior, one of the great is the 17-inch wheel. So you're going to get this aluminum alloyed wheel, as well as the four-wheel drive that comes here on the Compass. So this is a four-wheel drive vehicle, and it's an intelligent system. And then under the hood here, we have the 2.4 liter four-cylinder, so you're gonna get great fuel mileage. And you can come check this out. All right, folks, now that we've checked out the outside, let's hop into the interior. So the High Altitude package here is gonna give you a lot of great features on the interior. The first being the nice leather seats. As you can see, even with this being a used car, they're still in great shape. Right here on the dash, we also get the heated seat feature, which comes here on the High Altitude, and powered seats here on the driver's side. All right, now we're gonna take it around the block. All right, folks, this is a 2017 Jeep Compass. We're here on the interior. It drives really smooth. It's got a decent amount of power for a four-cylinder, and that's due to that 156 horsepower that this vehicle has, but it gets great miles per gallon. We're gonna get 25 highway and 20 in the city, and then we also have a max towing of 2,000 pounds, so you can still pull your lawnmower around and get where you need to go. Turns really good. All right, we'll show you what that 156 horsepower can do. Great acceleration. All right, folks, as always, we appreciate you watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and check out our used car inventory at heritagefd.com. Thanks. Have a great day.